All right, welcome Red Teamers. Today I'm going to show you how we'll use the Cobalt Strike license we got. So here's the Cobalt Strike page. Go to Downloads and then put your key in there and then it'll download Cobalt Strike. So cool. So once you have that, one method you may have is just to put both team and client on your Kali. This is a brand new Kali, so I'm going to have to put OpenJDK on it. So let's do that. Maybe I should pause. I think I'll pause it. All right, we're back. So now let's go ahead and download. Go to Downloads, put in the key. We will accept. And I want Linux, and we'll download. All right, that's complete. So I'm just going to go and use the shell now. I was. No, I am really. Okay, so here we go. We'll just, we'll do that. All right, so we get in the shell. Let's go ahead and cd home Kali downloads. There it is. Pause while I figure out how to untar this thing. All right, good enough. Let's do tar xxzvf and Cobalt Strike. Cool, it's in there. And then we're gonna have to do a java -jar update. I think that's the syntax. Yeah, that looks like it. All right, updating, then it's going to want our license key. One moment. All right, looks like I got to update. So let's do that. Update. I'll be back. All right, back. Looks like it did some updating of the actual server itself. So now when we do TeamserverKali, Jesse, no, what? Oh, I guess I got to be in the server directory. That may help. All right, cool. So looks like the server is up. We could go back here to the GUI and run the client. So let's see where that client is. See where I am. All right. There we are. Is that where I want to be? Let's see. I think I want to be in here. Yeah, okay. So we're going to start it, and we're going to give it whatever. This is team server. The host is on this IP address. So this IP address here, copy it. Paste, we'll say Jesse, password is, I don't know what they have in there. Cannot be empty. What? What was empty? So we'll say Jesse team server. Host is this. 10, 26, 10, 14. That, and then user is me, and password is, I thought it was just Jesse. Connect. Yes, and we should be there. So cool. Then you're into your Cobalt Strike server and tells you when it's going to shut down, all that good stuff. The next thing I would do is create a listener, add it, call it something like, maybe you're on the VPN, so you call it VPN. If you're not on the VPN, you don't call it the VPN. But here, I'm just using the Kali, which is on this 14. If it's on the VPN, it'd be different. So I think that's pretty good there. So we started it. Then if we wanted to add some extra stuff, like we could go to, let's say, GitHub BOF situational awareness. And then TrustedSec has some BOF stuff here. So what we could do is we could grab that. Let me move this a bit, come over here, and actually duplicate this. Should have tmux running or something, but anyways, I'm in here, so we'll say home Kali downloads, and then we'll just say git clone. Probably don't have git right now. App install git app. So git clone the BOF. Let's go to CS there. Looks like we can make it. Oh, it's an error. Because we don't have this Ming stuff. Okay. How do I install that is the question. So let's install it. apt install mingw-w64. This may take a little bit, so I'm just going to pause. All right, well, that was a lot of bit. So once that happens, then we can do this make deal, and it'll make all these BOF things that you're seeing right now, so that we can put this in CS and run it in CS beacon. So I'm going to pause this while this goes through because there's a lot. All right, that finished up. So let's go back to our GUI. And what we could do is go Cobalt Strike, Script Manager, Load. Then we would go to Downloads, Situational Awareness, and I'm looking for CNA. There we go. Open that up. And then, well, we need a beacon, so let's do an attack. Scripted attack. Jesse attack. Exploit. Let's see, and we'll do it there, and use this beacon, launch, copy this, and open up probably some kind of Windows device, like so. And we'll just put it in PowerShell, just like that, and come back here, and here we are. We have a beacon. We can go interact with it. I'll just say sleep 0, just so we can go quicker. And then if I do help here, you'll see where all these BOFs are now. So you can go ahead and use those. So cool. So that's CS and installing it for our competition. So enjoy and see you at the competition.